Statice is a very colourful plant. It comes in many colours, and it's grown as a half-hardy annual. It's sometimes called sea lavender, and it's a limonium sinuatum. It's found wild around the Mediterranean, as far as the Caspian Sea, down sort of West Africa a little bit, and the Canary Islands. And it is a perennial plant, but if you grow it here, it's too cold and the winter kills it off, but you can kind of dig them up and overwinter them somewhere. And they sort of flower a really long time, especially if you cut back the flowering stems when they're finished. These flowering stems can be used in dried flower arrangements if you just pick them when they're just coming out, kind of like maybe a bit like this one here. And then just hang them upside down until they're dry, and then they just last for years then. There's a purple one here. You do get kind of different shades of white, pink and purple, and they always have these little, find one that can go there, like you see these little white bits that come out of the pink bits. They kind of, they look really nice. And they like sort of sandy soil. They do quite well in rockeries. Really like kind of anywhere there's like a beach or a sea cliff, really. They like kind of that kind of environment. Now some people say you can add the flowers to herb teas to detoxify the body and to slow down the effects of aging, but it's not particularly clear if that's correct or not. They're not really advised for eating or anything, and the root is supposed to have help with digestive properties, but again there's a lot of disagreement about that. But as a garden plant they get, about 3 feet high, usually about 2 feet. Kind of nice, flower a long time, really bright colours. They do like sort of full sun, and they are sort of largely quite drought resistant. They do cope quite well on their own usually, and look really nice in any garden.